Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, April 11th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a great day today. I'm looking at this Dow pattern and trying to figure out how we've had such great trading the last 2 days. Yesterday, yeah, the Dow went up 400 points, but this pattern looks pretty sloppy, actually. And yet we got all the bad positions that we had gotten in here out of those with profits. And then we got into a whole bunch of new stocks on this day yesterday. And then today, you can see the Dow opens down and is really limp all day long, closing near its low, and yet we just absolutely cleaned up. So it's a mystery to me exactly how that just isn't how it usually works, but it worked that way today. We had excellent profits yesterday in our open trade. I think to about $25,000 we had, but anyway, we closed that out with a whopping over $32,000 in closed out trades. Yeah, we haven't had a day like that since I don't know. We might have to go back to February to find a day like that. So this was just great. $32,000 closed out profits. And then we got into 12 new positions today, 6 positive, 6 negative, and we're carrying positive 2,100 going into tomorrow. So, kind of a marginal day in terms of our new positions, but getting out with all that money on old positions when the Dow opens down like this, it was fabulous. And what was interesting, when it first opened, we were down around 18,000 or something like that, but it just really improved dramatically from about 18,000 to 32,000 when we finally bailed out of those. So that was just great. That was just great. Anyway, I'll show you. Did I mention? I should mention the Dow actually closed down officially 219 points today. So I'll show you what we got today. This is this is an open position. This is Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals, and we had bought this yesterday, about the second hour. It closed marginally profitable, but nothing too great. But then it just zooms up today. That puts us in for a third day. So we're still holding Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals, but we're up $5,400 in Arrowhead. Really nice trade. And then I'll show you the biggies that we closed out. And this is where that $32,000 profit is coming from. This first one is Spectrum Pharmaceuticals. We bought this yesterday on this huge gap. People just don't like buying gaps. I buy the gaps. It kept going very nicely. Didn't really change today, but we did get out of that with $10,000. 10,000, and you can see here we could have added, if we had a crystal ball and could have hung on to that and gotten out right there at the top, we would have had about $15,000 out of that. But we don't have a crystal ball. What we have is a good mechanical trading system. And then finally, this is what was powering a lot of the stocks we're trading. On Monday, right out of the gate here, we bought Laboo, which is the biotech bull on the gap. Again, we bought the gap. It closed against us. This is on Monday. But yesterday, it really took off, and that put us in for a third day, and that today was today. It pops up very nicely for our exit, and we also took just shy of $10,000 out of Laboo, the biotech bull. That's just great. Anyway, super day. I'm very happy. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.